horseback riding through the wine village of Melicolori. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. Y'all know I can't say things, so we're gonna find out. We just parked and have to walk up this really steep hill, but we should be there in about 30 seconds. Super excited. I've horseback ride several times before, and for those of you who've watched my vlogs, you know this, but to be doing it through a wine village in Greece, now that's a little different. So I'm super excited for this, and let's see how this journey goes, you guys. Horse crossing. Pano. Whatever he said. That probably means go, but. Hey guys, good morning. I'm using my iPhone because my camera is unfortunately not charged. But good morning. It is about day 4 here in Santorini, and we are down in Ia, back by the pier where we had dinner the other night in Amuri by Amuri Bay, and we're getting ready for our morning catamaran tour. This is the look for today. It's an outfit that I got from Pretty Little Thing. It's giving. I'm excited.
This is Captain Nicholas.
Hi, Captain.
Our engineer, Christine.
Hey, Christine.
And the sailors, Vanos.
Hey, Vamos. Wait, what?
And me, the last. My nickname is Captain Jack Sparrow, but my real name is George.
Okay, Jack Sparrow. So we made it onto the Sunset Voyage catamaran, enjoying the morning breeze and morning dew. We already went to the Sulphur Spring, and the crew is just out here vibing.
With rice inside.
Oh, big leaves? Okay.
Greek feta cheese, potato salad, tzatziki, pork, chicken, and veggie for vegetarians only. Vine leaves with rice inside.
Later that evening, we took a traditional Greek cuisine cooking class with Chef Clentus, and he was so nice. The food was so good, and it also included about 2 glasses of wine, so you know we had a good time. So we just got to Santos Winery. We're gonna do a wine tour. Okay, say hi. Hey guys. We just got to Santos Winery. We're gonna do a wine tour and a wine tasting. I'm super excited for this. So we did our wine tour, and we're about to do our wine tasting now. This is the view over the caldera. Yeah. I'm not getting your face.
He said it's the beautiful side. He said as long as you get the good side, you can get his face.
Oh, his face. I thought he said no face. Thank you for your continued love and support. Thank you guys so much for following up with me. I thoroughly hope that you guys enjoyed my Santorini part 1 and part 2 travel vlogs. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more travel videos from your girl. As always, peace, love, and safe travel. This video, girl is in